Alrighty guys, so we're going to do the cold start here. And normally I do two videos. I do a cold start and then I do a engine crank with the covers off. But we're going to integrate that into one. I have all the covers off already. We're going to cold start and then we're going to let it idle up. And then once it goes through the cold start procedure, we're going to go up top and then we're going to go inside and kind of take a look at the front of the engine with everything running. So here we go. This is probably I don't even know what day it is. Tuesday around noon. Probably 2 or 3 days on the cold start. So it does have the MagnaFlow exhaust. I'm going to go over this again, but I do have a stock exhaust for an S. If anybody wants it, well, if the winner wants it, they can have it. This one is welded on, so it might be a little bit of a pain in the ass to swap it out, but you definitely could if you wanted to. I've heard guys say, why do you go through this much trouble? Well, I'm trying to turn the radio off. Hang on a sec. I would say, why don't more people who sell 986s and 987s go through this much trouble? Because honestly, it's not that much trouble. It takes about 5 minutes to get the covers off. Unless you've never done it, maybe it would take a little longer. So I'm going to try and reach down here with my hand and get the throttle. You may hear some background noise. That is my neighbor's yard guy. Alrighty guys, so there you go.